Well, welcome back to another Christmas Eve dig. I dug yesterday in the Newport dump. I thought I'd be done, but I figured this spot here, that construction site, all frozen from the recent cold weather, but it's thawing out today. And let's show it up here. William B. Blanding Pharmacist Province. Nice little square med. The William version is pre-1890, so we're like 1890, 1885 era. There's a broken etched soda bottle there. I got a, let me hop up for a second. Hello. Okay. Get a clear view. Sullivan Bros. There's a ton of these here. I think this is where the bottle is dumped, because there's just tons of Sullivan Bros broken. Well, first one intact. This in here. Oh, I'm just gonna pull this out to show you guys. A real crier. Very exciting. Is here William Hines, Pharmacist, Governor Street Province, unlisted. Worth taking home, but wow, that hurts. But yeah, so this dump is very sparse. There's not much going on in here, but there are bottles way down in the depths, and this is frozen and hard packed, so it's not collapsing. Well, I'm gonna dig until it collapses, and that's probably gonna be it. And go back and enjoy some Christmas Eve with the family. Okay, hopefully there's more in here. Alright, we got number 3. G.L. Claflin, Pharmacist Province. Nice ribbon on there. Monogram, earlier lip style. Awesome. Take that all day. I think it's about time to call it a day, because that is way deep in there. And as solid as this is up here, it will collapse. I'm not going to be around when it does. So I'll take that as a 3 pharmacy day win. And let's go. Alright, look at that. Not too much time in this dump. You do reports and license plate. It's a little bent on the side, but clearly legible number. I can probably hopefully look that up. I think that the bent part is probably says RI. So back at the construction site, this is all, 1910s. They've moved this pile a lot, all fresh since I was last here. My old hole, I believe, is this little section that caved in here. I'm not positive though. And so far we've got A.B. Monroe, early milk, little perfume, Cabots, crier, poison, all busted up, intact cobalt ink, and where is it? Oh yeah, hiding here, more cobalt, Wyeth Dose Cup. So a lot of cobalt coming out, license plate. So I'm gonna basically hit this easy dig spot down over here, and once that's kind of exhausted, we're about to open up the hole. I have 2 hours. My boss sent me out to work early, so I'm gonna dig this and come back tomorrow for a full day. And so far it's pretty promising, so let's get into it. Alright, just popped the milk out. It is, oh nice, the Shepherd Company. That's a department store bottle from Providence. Pretty awesome. That's pre-1920, so again, 19 teens as I thought. Very cool. You don't find too many of these. I like it. Okay, this is a heck of a crunchy layer, guys. Lots of pots, pans, metal, broken sodas everywhere. I finally got this second milk. Bright Ridge Dairy Company out of East Providence. Oh yeah, and Kevin inside, he joined me here. He's pulling out quite a few bottles. He got a nice milk up there and fancy perfume. And then behind me I have another off-camera find. I got this nice little cobalt ink. A little instant collection of marked porcelain stoppers. Interesting piece of metal with a name on it. So yeah, a lot of metal, but you can tell right on the edge of this pile, and this collapses in, of course. But we're hitting it through it. It's just so much stuff. It's fun. If you look down there, you can see that. Look at that color, that layer.
I believe this is the same.
Oh, he's found a shard, some sort of soda, I believe. Yeah, I finally found a first intact soda out of here, so there's hope. Yeah, it's a, looks like American Bottling, maybe, or Coca-Cola. One of those cursive ones on the shoulder. First intact soda, so there's hope to be more in here. Nice. Well, I'm just going for broke and right into the dirt pile. It's collapsing, but look what came out. Beautiful iodine poison. I think that's a blown and mold one. By the top style. Let's take a look. That's machine made. Still. Nice. Intact poison bottle. Awesome. Okay, just sitting there. Nice milk bottle. Oh. And collapse. But yeah, it's all there. John Amaral. Pure dairy milk. I just found the another one. They said AF Amaral. So I'm guessing they were in business at the same time. Clean Brothers. Oh, look at that. There's a med. That fell down with it. Unembossed, sadly, but interesting. What also has me curious is this is all freshly dumped, and right here, right down below it, is undug dump. It seems rather strange. They stopped right on top of the dump layer, so interesting. All right. All right, guys, we got a estuarine, and it's following her mast. There she is. JF Kramer, I think. Yeah, Kramer, the star. Nice. I never seen that one before. There's a lot of Province ones in here, but one of those. But that's the next best thing. Nice. Check it out, guys. First one I ever dug in this color. That's a Cobalt Carter's. Holy cow. That's a beautiful ink bottle right there. It's funny, because I found a piece of one here that was broken in Cobalt. That's blown. Wow, what a find. Love it. Check it out. That's what I'm digging for, guys. Completely unlisted. James Brown, Ives Corner, Trenton Street, Providence. Wow. That is amazing. That's my best bottle. I like it even more than the Cobalt thing. But maybe they're tied. But that is something else. Alright, that's totally worth it. Twice over now. Oh yeah, I definitely hit the bumble layer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still like that ink and that med. But we're finding more that same layer, but it's mostly blown now, which is interesting. So, holding out hope for some more pharmacies.